Woke up thinking it was just another day, but boom. One UI 7 is here and my Galaxy S24 got the update overnight. Samsung has finally kicked off the highly awaited One UI 7 rollout, and Galaxy S24 users in the USA, UAE, KSA, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and many other regions are waking up to this exciting surprise. Based on Android 15, the One UI 7, build BYD9, update is now rolling out to the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Ultra models. This marks the first major OS upgrade for the S24 series globally, following its initial launch in South Korea on April 7. Whether you join the beta program or not, the update is heading your way. S24 users can now enjoy 6 more Android version upgrades and nearly 6 years of security patches, ensuring long-term performance and support. And here's more good news for Galaxy fans in the US. Samsung has resumed the One UI 7 rollout for unlocked Galaxy S24 units. The update, weighing over 400 megabytes and labeled version BYD9, is already hitting devices. If you're on T-Mobile, Verizon, or any other carrier-locked model, your turn is just around the corner. To check if it's available for you, head to Settings, Software Update, and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and your phone's battery is charged enough before installing. If you haven't received the update yet, don't panic. This is a phased rollout, so just be a little patient. You'll likely get it today or tomorrow. Though the One UI 7 launch was delayed, Samsung aims to get back on track with One UI 8, which is expected to make its debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in the next quarter. In South Korea, the stable One UI 7 update is also reaching other flagship models, including the Galaxy S23 series, S24 Fan Edition, Tab S9/S10, and the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. A global release for these devices is scheduled for May 2025, though Samsung might surprise everyone with an earlier rollout, depending on system stability. Have you received the update? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.